Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 policyholder requests. When you have a policyholder, a customer calling in, and you have an active policy, they're calling in and they're going to ask you questions, servicing. What does that look like? What should you expect when you answer the phone? So, first thing I like to do is pull up their profile. I'm going to confirm their email address for any documents that I may need to send over. That also helps me know that I'm in the right account. Last thing you want to do is add a vehicle to someone who did not buy that Maserati. That is not their car. So top policyholder requests are, of course, going to be an added vehicle. So maybe they were shopping over the weekend. This vehicle could be a car, a truck. Maybe they bought a classic. Maybe it's not a vehicle at all. Maybe they bought a boat. So adding a product on could be a policyholder request. Second, of course, would be replacing the vehicle. Maybe they just traded it in. All you have to do is update that in your system. And of course, every system's a little different. We will get those videos up and loaded when they're ready. The next thing that I noticed a lot was changing financial institutions. So this is going to be things like the mortgagee clause. What bank pays that loan? What takes care of that loan for you? So the mortgagee clause, if that is not listed on your homeowner's policy, nobody's getting paid. Cancel policy. That's a problem. So we don't want that. We don't want that at all. We want to make sure the financial institutions are going to be listed. And that also goes for auto. If somebody refinanced their vehicle, you want to make sure that the correct bank is listed on there. They want to get paid. They want their money. Also, they want to make sure they're listed on the insurance documents because if a tree falls on that car, they have a vested interest in making sure that vehicle is repaired. So they are owners, technically. The bank does own that vehicle, that home. Next up is going to be billing questions. So people call up all the time. They're like, what happened? I thought there was a refund on the way. Why was I charged $7.50? Whatever it may be, billing questions tend to be the meat and the potatoes of a lot of service calls. Canceling or changing a policy. So unlike a phone plan where people are stuck, they aren't free to go, it's a whole contract thing. Insurance is different. You pay a month ahead of time. Now, with this, it also gives the policyholder the freedom to come and go as they please. So policyholders are not stuck. They are more than welcome to change insurance companies. And when they do, that's going to give them a refund for any unused days. That's called undue premium. Policyholders sure like the fancy words on that. Undue premium, any days that haven't happened yet. Changing a policy, of course, changing a policy can be adding or removing vehicles, but it can also include name changes. People get married all the time or don't get married and decide to change their name anyway. Address changes. People move all the time. Now, please keep in mind address changes. That zip code can also change the premium. So prep your policyholder. And then adding and removing drivers. People move in, people move out. Again, we are in a very fluid society these days, and people are constantly on the move. So be prepared when a policyholder calls in, they are asking for a service call. They may not know exactly what they're needing. They may just come out right the gate. Hey, we were at a motorhome dealership this weekend. And that would definitely be adding a line of business. So I hope this helps as you're answering calls along your journey and how to help your policyholder know upfront what it is that you're going to do and those systems to process. I hope everybody has a great day. Stay safe out there.